Hey, welcome guys, welcome to Plant a Garden TV. We in the heart of the fall. We actually in the fall right at this moment. And in the fall, our garden is still striving wonderful. Our garden is doing great. We have a lot going on in our garden. We have pumpkin growing. If you notice, you see them grass growing up wild between the pumpkin, but we're not trying to remove them because we believe that they're gonna become food for the plant. Just like in this case, you see we have our dry leaf packing around. This is a nice pumpkin growing up here, guys. Yes, we're doing awesome, guys. Let's take a walk around and see what is actually going on. We harvest so many pumpkin this year. We really harvest a lot of pumpkin. And if we notice right here, we have a nice pumpkin here. Yeah, it's best we harvest this one. Because as we notice here, the vines almost disconnected. So I think we should harvest this one. This is a beautiful pumpkin, nice size, and the color is telling us this is a very mature pumpkin. So yes, so now we know we're in the heart of the fall, and the garden season is changing, the weather is changing, even though we're still getting beautiful weather. But we also know that the weather is actually changing. And today, we have a lot we would like to harvest. All right? So, bear with me, guys. And let's make this happen. So, as you see, we have a beautiful pumpkin. And now we're going to walk around and see what else is here for us to harvest. Them edos, I'm gonna harvest a root of edos because I want you guys to see. Oh wow, like this, I don't know, but this tree, pepper tree, looking like it's trying to reach 10 feet tall this year. Yeah, this thing look like it's trying to reach 10 feet tall. So we have a lot of peppers to harvest. We have ginger. Man, look how this tree is pretty, man. So much to harvest, so much. But I think I'm gonna need a gloves with these peppers. It's too much of them. Look, this one, this is a habanero pepper, I think. Yes, and this one is monkey pepper. So it's so much to harvest. But you know what? Let me go down here and see what's going down here first before me come back up and start harvesting. Now, as we can see, our edos them is doing wonderful, and I really think now is the time for me to start harvesting some of these edos. Let me see what's going on over here. Let me see how this pumpkin is doing back over here. I mean, these years was very challenging this year, boy. I can tell you that. Okay, look, we have a next pumpkin here. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna harvest this one too. Okay. Oh wow, you see? You see why we have to make sure we come and look at this one. It's ripe and it's spoiled. So now I'm not leaving any pumpkin. Anything I see big enough, I'm gonna take them. Because that one was resting on the ground. I was to put a container to help protect it. But because I did not, we end up lose that one. But that's okay, that's garden. That's how garden is. And this one, did not get pollinated, so that one gonna spoil. This one again look like it did not get pollinated, so it's gonna spoil. This one again look like it didn't get pollinated, so it's gonna spoil. So let me walk around and see all I can harvest today, guys, because I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna try to harvest a root of Edo and see if it's worthwhile for me to harvest. This is a Edo root right here. Let me see. Yes, definitely, most definitely. Most definitely. So you know what I'm gonna do? You see there's an earthworm running there. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna harvest a few of them because I can, okay, a pumpkin, that one is pollinated, you could see that one. Okay, so as we see, if you notice, you're gonna see this. This is a deer footprint. This is a deer footprint. You could actually see it's a deer footprint. So they walk around here. This garden is like theirs now. They patrol around here pretty well. Now, this is the head of the Edo. So what we're gonna do with the head, we're gonna put it back down and cover it, and what's gonna happen is gonna come back up for the next garden season. So I'm just gonna harvest a couple root that I can basically have dinner, man. I can definitely have dinner, guys. You see, this is food, guys. This is food. So this is how it works, guys. We come out and we work hard in the spring, and then we begin harvesting all through the spring season, all through the fall, the summer, and all through the fall. So every day I can come over here and harvest from this garden now. Okay, all the hard work I put in. So just like this, guys, I have a nice Edo harvest, which gonna be ready for dinner. So I'm not gonna go through the harvest. I'm gonna just leave it for today. But one day I'm gonna come and I'm gonna do a whole harvest in this garden. So we also have, as you see, I already picked my pumpkin up here. This is the heart of garden season, guys. But guess what? We have a lot of food, even though we're in the fall. I'm picking this because I don't want it to spoil. If you don't want them to spoil, what you can do, you can put a container under them. If you don't want them to spoil, you could put a container under them. So as we see going around here, we see bell pepper. This one is so big, guys, I don't want to pick it. I'm just gonna leave it. But there's one here. Look, you have two there. You have one there, you have down there. You have, and you still have over there blossom. They're actually pushing blossom still. So, okay. So let's go around and see what's there to harvest. Here we have a nice beautiful eggplant. Nice beautiful eggplant, guys. Let's really see what's here for harvest today, guys. Okay, You see the spiders? The spiders set up themselves in the garden because the spiders got to eat, you know, and I don't really mess with their nests, even though I don't know the species. I don't know whether they're harmful or not. I try to still leave them because I understand that everything got to eat, everything got to survive. And also this is the sorrel. The sorrel is spreading, which is doing really, really well. Look how wide it's spreading. And this is actually one plant. So yes, guys, I'm here and there's a lot I got to do. Because as you see, my ginger them is getting ready for harvest. Also, I have a ton load of pepper to harvest right here. I got to do a video by itself harvesting these pepper. Over here again, my goodness, this pepper is getting humongous. So I got to do a video harvesting all these pepper by themselves. But right now, I don't want to prolong the video, guys. But right now, I'm just having a good time. These are basil growing up here. All this is basil. Smelling so nice. That was my tomato patch. Them deer take over. So let's go down here and see what's going on behind here. Behind here we have basils growing. Watch. Them deers eat down these pepper. What? Look how these basils growing nice. I'm gonna pick them from the bottom. You could actually pick them like you're breaking a limb from a tree. Watch. This is how we pick these basil, like we're breaking limb from a tree. Nice bundle of basil, guys. Check it out. All right, so down here we have eggplant. As you can see, them eggplant coming up. So we just allowing everything to grow on its own while we just harvesting. We're just enjoying ourselves and getting ready to harvest. So yes, like I said, I'm gonna do a video because I have some serious harvest. I have Edo harvest, I have pepper to harvest, I have yam to harvest. It's just a lot I have to harvest, guys. This basil is amazing. We have turmeric to harvest, okra. Wow, look at these cassava, man. Wow. So yes, guys, this is what's going on, and we're just having a beautiful time. All right, and we in September, but our garden is still striving on the high scale. You know what? I'm gonna go over there and I'm gonna harvest the next one, because the honest truth is, if you notice, you're gonna see where I lose one down there, and I'm not really planning to lose anymore because I've lost so many this garden season. Yes, I've lost so much this garden season, but I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining because I try to grow enough for me, and if anything pass through, like the deers and the squirrel, I'm still gonna able to have something to eat, because they did not eat all. Yes, guys. Ain't this beautiful, guys? Ain't this beautiful? Okay, so we have more bell pepper. I'm gonna pick this bell pepper here. What else? I want to pick them pepper, but God knows them pepper is so hot. I don't want to mess with them. Let me dig up another root of edibles. Let me dig up another root of edibles so I can have a nice, beautiful dinner. Okay? So let's see this one. This one, as you see, the leaf them already fall down. So this one might be just the one I need to harvest. Yes, guys, yes. Yes. And believe it or not, you always leave something in the hole. Doesn't matter what you think. I guarantee you, you never harvest everything. There will always be some left in the garden. So ain't this beautiful, guys? Ain't this beautiful? Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy. Peace, love, and blessing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.